this course, we are going to learn how to upload a PDF file, PPT or Word or even a folder. These are notes for the students. Suppose your notes are in PDF format or PPT or Word file. How can we upload those contents so that the students they can view, read and learn from there? So let's do. So first you log in. After login, you make sure your turn on editing is on. Then you'll able to see these things. So here we are going to create this tutorial. Click on activities. Here we have so many activities. Suppose if you want to upload a file, so you click on file. File means you can upload any type of file, PPT, PDF, Word. You click add, name it, lecture notes, we want to put it here. You can describe and then click here, select the file. So you can upload the file from your computer. These are Word file, and then we have some other format. Suppose I want to upload this file. Click OK. This is a Word file. Same way you can choose your PPT, put it there on the desktop, or maybe in your computer. You can select from the menu here, select it, open it, upload it. The file will come here. And then if you want to put some restriction, for example, you want to put in next week so that this week nobody can see, so you can put the restriction from here. According to date, you can select from here. Students, they will not able to see in advance. Right now I'm not putting anything. Rest of the things you leave as it is. Save and return to the course. Lecture notes, they are here. That's how you can place your lecture notes in form of files, PDF, PPT, Word, or even a folder. So folder, we are going to do the same thing here. In this case, you select a folder. Folder must have some content. This is a folder. You can select. Then folder name, description, and then files. Here you can put so many files in one folder. Suppose there are several content, but all of them, they are different files. So you can create a folder and upload all the file, so they will store in that folder. Same way you can put the restriction, etc. Not putting anything, cancel. Last thing, suppose you don't want this, you don't want these notes, you can delete from here, or you can still add it. If you don't want this name, you can add it from here also. Enter. So it will change. That's how you can show your course material to your students. For this tutorial, that's all. Thank you.